Hello everyone. Today I am here with my Dendrobium draconis. It is a species found in Northeast India as well as Myanmar and nearby countries like Thailand. And this is a wonderful species of Dendrobium. It is uh, quite rare nowadays. So I am growing it as mounted with sphagnum moss. You can see it is growing new shoots. These are the old canes. The interesting part of these plants are its canes only. It is very uh, different and sharp edges. You can see this cane will also look like these after a year or so. These are currently in bloom, so thought of sharing the flowers. You can see flowers are very pale in color, like pale yellow, and they rarely have any fragrance yet. But when they mature, they will get a small slight vanilla sort of fragrance, which will only can be smelled at in the morning. I have used twine, a nylon twine to mount, but you can see the roots are already forming. Excuse me. There are another two species similar to this one. One is Dendrobium venustum and another is Dendrobium simondi or simondi. So it is basically the difference in the canes, not the flowers. The venustum will have little bit bigger, longer canes. This Delacori will have the smallest and most chubbiest canes of all. This Delacori will have only up to 4-inch long canes. I mean this one. This is really 3-inch. But this new growth, I think it will grow up to here and it will be around 4-inch or 5-inch. So this is the maximum size of the Delacori plant. The venustum will get little bit of bigger, like 6 to 8 inches, and the simondi, it will have a little bit of longer, like up to 8 to 10-inch long canes, but the structure of the canes will be similar and the flowers will be exactly same. So the thing is to identify these three species by looking at their canes and also the region it is found. The Simondi is not found in Northeast India. It is only found in Thailand and nearby areas. But Venustum is found in Northeast India, Myanmar, also the nearby areas. So Delacori is the rarest. You can see the canes are short. These are old canes. Already they have bloomed last year, and this particular Dendrobium, the only the new canes bloom. This is the new growth, so it bloomed. This is the new growth here, so it is blooming. And these you can see there are two spikes in the same plant. I mean in the same cane we have two spikes. So this is the maximum it will grow. After that the leaves will fall in the winter. Then again in summer the cycle will start. This is the new growth. I think it will also bloom after growing a little bit, maybe next month. These plants are quite slow growing and very easy to care for also. For fertilization I only use normal regular all-purpose NPK, that is 19 and I fertilize 15 days in interval, and I water as I am keeping all the orchids in a shed where no rain is, they don't get any rain. So I water them every 3 or 4 days in summer, or sometimes 2 or 3 days, depending upon the weather. Nowadays it is raining too much and the humidity is quite high, so I will be watering every 4 to 5 days only. But pest, I'm getting some pest issues now. You can see some spider mites are there. You can see here and there the leaves are they have uh, bit or something. They have damaged the leaves. Tomorrow I will use some miticide on them. For miticide I only use contact pesticides that are not very harmful to the plant but only harmful to the insects. So yeah, so I think that's it for today. Please ask any question regarding the plant, anything you need to know, because I am not a very professional YouTuber. So I don't know if I am focusing in all the aspects of growing the plant. For you can see all the species dendrobiums I feature in this channel, and other aroids also, all are easily grown in the subtropical climate of northeast India. So it is very easy for us to tell like that it is easy to grow, but for your reason you need to check whether your weather suits the plant or not, because I have seen some South Indian people difficult growing some plants, not all, some plants like they get from here and they try to grow in South India like Kerala. There that it is tropical, but the temperatures are very high at some point. So it is sometimes it gets difficult, but you can adjust it by keeping it in shade and all, like other things, misting, like that you can adjust and you can grow nicely. So care is similar to other dendrobiums found in this region, and these are cool to warm growing orchids, so can be grown. Ideal temperature is in winter it is above 10 degrees, and summer it is below 30 degrees, I believe. So that is the temperature these things, these dendrobiums do most. Thank you everyone. Hope you liked my video. Please share my videos so that other people can watch it, and please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you everyone.